In front of me is Realme Narzo N61, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner to access this plus and create a new one. Then set up an hour and choose OK. Now it's time to adjust your alarm however you want to. At the top you can name it and save its name by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, and to make some exceptions use this plus next to pause alarm. Pick a date and save it by choosing OK. To remove it use remove button right next to it. Then you can turn on or off vibrate and Google Assistant routine by clicking on those two icons. Lastly, select the bell one, and to pick music from any sound platform, click on the chosen one at the top and log in. You can also select sounds, tap on add new and pick any song from your smartphone. If you don't want to do any of that, just apply one of those melodies and go back. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. If you wish to switch on or off your alarm, use the switcher next to it. And last but not least, to delete it, click at the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!